Ever wondered what makes a camping trip successful? Well, we are here to answer that question for you. Imagine this. You're surrounded by the serene beauty of nature. A cool breeze is brushing past your face, and there's an enveloping sense of peace. Sounds like a dream, right? But what makes this dream a reality is a blend of preparation, planning, and the right camping gear. Camping is more than just pitching a tent in the wilderness. It's about immersing yourself in the great outdoors, which requires a bit of groundwork. The foundation of a successful camping experience lies in meticulous planning and preparation. You need to be aware of the camping site, the weather conditions, and various potential challenges. But most importantly, you need the right gear. Now you might wonder, why is camping gear so important? Well, the answer is simple. It ensures your comfort, safety, and survival in the wilderness. It's the bridge that connects you to nature without compromising your well-being. Whether it's a sturdy tent that shields you from the elements, a warm sleeping bag that offers you a cozy retreat, or a reliable cookware set that fuels your adventure, every piece of camping gear plays a pivotal role in your expedition. But it's not just about having gear, it's about having the right gear. The type of camping gear you need depends on various factors, such as the duration of your trip, the camping location, and the weather conditions. A weekend getaway in a well-established campsite would require different gear compared to a week-long trek in a remote wilderness. So, whether you're a seasoned camper or a novice, understanding the essentials of camping gear is beneficial. It helps you anticipate potential challenges, enhances your camping experience, and most importantly, keeps you safe and comfortable during your outdoor adventure. So gear up for an exciting journey as we step into the world of camping essentials. First on our list is the most fundamental component of camping gear, the tent. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie, the tent remains a cornerstone of your outdoor experience. It's not just a place to sleep, it's your home away from home, your fortress in the wilderness. Let's dive into the different types of tents and understand their unique advantages. Dome tents, with their rounded design, offer a balance of living space and stability. They're easy to set up, making them perfect for those spur-of-the-moment trips. On the other hand, tunnel tents provide more space, with their elongated design allowing for separate living and sleeping areas. They're great for families or larger groups who need that extra bit of room. Then we have the geodesic tents, the mountain climber's favorite. With their intersecting poles, they're designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, offering stability in strong winds and heavy snow. These are your go-to tents if you're planning a winter camping trip or an expedition to higher altitudes. But what about those warm, sunny days? Well, that's where the bell tent comes in. Made predominantly of cotton, bell tents are breathable, keeping you cool during the day and warm at night. These are ideal for summer camping, music festivals, or just a fun backyard sleepover. And let's not forget the pop-up tents. They're the easiest to set up, just throw them in the air, and you're good to go. They're lightweight and compact, making them ideal for hikers or solo campers who prefer to keep things simple. Choosing the right tent depends on a number of factors. The weather conditions, the terrain, the number of people, and even your personal comfort. Whether you're camping in the rain, under the scorching sun, on a windy hilltop, or in a snow-covered landscape, there's a tent designed to shield you from the elements. Remember, a good tent is your primary defense against the elements. Choose wisely. Now that we have shelter covered, let's move on to the most delicious part of camping, the cooking gear. First up, the portable stove. This compact piece of equipment is a powerhouse in the open wilderness. It's your ticket to hot meals and warm drinks, turning a cold outdoor adventure into a cozy dining experience. Portable stoves are lightweight, easy to use, and can operate on a variety of fuels. They're essential for boiling water, which is crucial not only for your morning coffee but also for ensuring you have safe drinking water. Next, let's talk utensils. You might be tempted to grab the silverware from your kitchen drawer, but camping utensils are designed with the outdoors in mind. They're typically made of durable, rust-resistant materials like stainless steel or hard anodized aluminum. Many camping utensil sets are multifunctional, featuring not just a fork, spoon, and knife, but also a can opener, bottle opener, and even a small cutting board. Plus, they're compact and often come with a carrying case for convenient transport. Coolers, too, are an essential piece of camping cooking gear. Keeping your food fresh and your drinks cold can make all the difference on a hot day in the wild. Modern coolers are highly efficient, capable of keeping ice frozen for several days. They come in various sizes to suit your needs, from personal-sized coolers for a solo trip to large coolers for a family outing. Remember, a well-insulated cooler can also protect your food from curious wildlife. Finally, don't forget the basics. pots, pans, and cups. Lightweight and durable are the keywords here. Look for nesting sets that save space, and consider material options like aluminum, titanium, or stainless steel for their heat distribution properties and durability. In essence, the right cooking gear can transform your camping trip from merely surviving to truly thriving in the outdoors. After all, there's nothing like a hot meal under the stars to make you feel right at home in nature. So, whether you're a gourmet chef or a simple beans and rice kind of camper, the right cooking gear will make your outdoor meals a delight. Moving on, let's talk about survival gear, because as we all know, it's better to be safe than sorry. Imagine this. You're out in the wilderness, the sun has set, and the temperature starts to drop. It's in moments like these that your survival gear becomes your best friend. A basic survival kit is not just a box of tools, it's your lifeline. It's what stands between you and the unpredictable elements of nature. First up, we have the first aid kit. This is not a nice-to-have item, it's a must. From minor cuts and scrapes to more severe injuries, a well-stocked first aid kit can prevent a small accident from becoming a major problem. Next, a flashlight. When darkness falls, a reliable flashlight can be the difference between finding your way back to camp or spending a cold, uncomfortable night lost in the woods. It's not just about visibility, it's about safety. Now let's talk about the compass. In the age of GPS and smartphones, the humble compass might seem outdated, but when batteries die and signals fail, this little tool will guide you back to safety. It's reliable, it's durable, and it's an essential part of any survival kit. A good sturdy knife is another must-have. It's not just for protection, it's a tool of many uses. From cutting ropes to preparing food, a knife is a camper's best friend. And lastly, a fire starter. This is not only a source of warmth on chilly nights, but also a means to cook food and purify water. It's small, light, and can be a real game changer in survival situations. So, there you have it. A basic survival kit that will help keep you safe and sound in the great outdoors. Each item has a role to play, each one is vital, and together, they form your lifeline in the wilderness. Remember, your survival gear is your lifeline in the wilderness, so never take it for granted. As we wrap up, it's clear that the right camping gear can make or break your outdoor adventure. A well-chosen tent, for instance, is your home away from home, shielding you from the elements and providing a cozy retreat after a day of exploration. Your cooking gear, on the other hand, is your kitchen in the wild, enabling you to whip up meals that fuel your adventures and warm your spirits. And let's not forget the survival gear. This toolkit is your lifeline, providing you with essential tools and aids that can help navigate unexpected situations. Each piece of gear has a specific purpose and plays a crucial role in ensuring your camping trip goes smoothly. Remember, proper planning and preparation are the keys to a successful camping trip. And that includes investing in the right gear. With the right gear, your camping trip can be a memorable adventure rather than a survival challenge. Now that you are equipped with the knowledge of camping essentials, it's time to get out there and explore. Picture this: the crackling of a campfire, the rustling of leaves underfoot, the serene hooting of an owl in the distance. This could be your reality if you decide to embark on a camping adventure. Remember, having the right gear can make all the difference between a good trip and a great one. It's not just about comfort, but also about safety and convenience. So, start planning and make sure to invest in quality gear that can withstand the elements and the test of time. With the right preparation, you're well on your way to creating unforgettable memories under the stars. And hey, if you found this video helpful, why not pay it forward? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow adventurers. Happy camping!